leave now? Because I'm afraid if I don't, I am going to be sick.
Of course you may leave. I just ask that you reflect on why leaving appears to be the only way you are dealing with your problems here. I'm genuinely sorry if you think I've been wasting your time.
When you go through your life and the ups and downs and the traumas, do you ever think when you've had a particularly bad day or a bad experience, you think, oh, well, that's some material there at least?
Almost too quickly. Like, it's almost upsetting how quick it can become material. You know, I recently went through a breakup, and I'm already talking about it. I'm annoyed that it is sometimes, because it means that I'm not feeling things fully, and that's part of what's wrong with me. And so, while people talk about stand-up being therapy, it can be the opposite sometimes, because it stops you from fully immersing yourself in the pain, because you can fix it quickly. It's almost magic.
And because you're outside observing it very
Yeah, I'm
rapidly.
outside all the time. I'm outside of it. Yeah, I'm not in there feeling hurt, feeling angry, feeling upset. I'm looking at this idiot who's, you know, who should be crying or is crying. I'm sort of making fun of him. But it's me! It's me!
You'll get through this. You will get through it. You will do it. This is the really hard part, and then what happens is there's a hard part, and then it gets better. And then it gets hard again, but never mind. I shouldn't have told you that part. I should have just said it gets better, and then that's it.